how to create a route on Sygic Maps. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a route on Sygic Maps. To create a route on Sygic Maps, you'd have to be on the premium version of Sygic. I want you to get this clear. Okay, so if you're on the premium version of Sygic, the next option for you to do would be to move to the top left corner of the screen. So the top right corner of the screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Once you've clicked on that and the page displayed, you will see the option which says route on this page. Now, once you have upgraded to the premium version, you have additional features other than the ones that are here already, and then you see route. All right, so once you see that, tap on it, and then you can either enter in the address, the city, or point of interest for your starting point in the search bar, or you can select it directly from the map. You see the option there. Then once you've done that, then select your destination as well. And then once you've added both your starting point as well as your destination point, you have an option for you to add waypoints, to avoid certain roads, choose your preferred route options. All of this will be displayed for you on the screen. The reason why my screen is like this and you can see it vividly is because I'm also on the free version of Sygic. So like I said, ensure you are upgraded to the paid version. Click on route and then select starting point and destination point in the search bar that is displayed. And then you have an option to customize the route by adding waypoints, avoid certain roads, or choose your preferred route option. Then the app will display your route along with estimated travel time and distance. Tap the navigate button to start your journey, and then you would have an enjoyable navigation experience. This is basically how you can plan or create a route on Sygic Maps. Just ensure that you're on the paid version and you do the rest easily. Thank you for watching and have a good day.